All right, so this is showing the tube spacing existing in this building. Right about 15-inch on center, all the way across. And also that first tube is right here. We had one tube here and one tube here, and that's just not gonna be enough heat to heat. One of the big issues they have in here is a whole lot of structure support for all the intricate roofing they've got. Big, huge window here, obviously a lot of thermal loss there. Big window there, a lot of thermal loss there. But one of the neglected things to think about is the thermal bridging that happens when we have all this structure. Excellent opportunity to talk about thermal bridging.